Hi everybody and welcome back to Mary's channel. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today's a little bit of a rainy day. What do you want to do since it's raining outside? Sleep? What are you doing? Mary, are you bored? Is that fun? Okay, she can't get it while she stands up, so she's got to lay down. Oh, did that tire you out? Mary, did you get tired from that? Well, that's good. So I'm trying to clean the house and get a few things done. It's raining outside. We can't really go outside at the moment. We're gonna wait for a little bit later. Yeah, so we have to entertain ourselves, don't we? Are you acting like a nut? Where's that tail? Get the tail. Do you know what show and what we bought for you today? What did we get for you today, Mary? So we got Mary a pink bow. Do you like your bow? What do you think of the pink bow? Do you like it? We also got Mary some bubbles. So you want to play with the bubbles? Yeah, you're going to like that. All right, let's get them. I think she likes it. Mary, you like the bubbles? Get it. Oh, you let it. There's two more. Do you like that? Oh, your nose is all wet. Probably not too many because she's eating soap. Right? You can't eat soap. But it's fun to do for a couple. We'll do a couple. Hold on. Okay. She wants me to do more. Hold on, Mary. Okay, you ready for more bubbles? Mary! Okay, that's it. Okay, one more time. You like these bubbles. Do you like the bubbles? Do you like the bubbles? She was like, just do it. Okay, hold on. We'll do a couple more and this is it. Because you're eating them. Hold on. All right, hold on. Ready? Oh, that one popped on your head. All right. Well, it stopped raining, so we're going to try to go to the park for a little bit. You want to go to the park? I don't know who's going to be there, but yeah, no more bubbles. All right. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Mary.